Nestled into the hillside of Mount Veeder, in Napa, California, the Mount Veeder outpost is secluded residence wrapped in a deep umber shell of corrugated steel between charred redwood trees surrounding it. The design of the home is composed of a two-story cube with a parabolic roof and an off-center entry courtyard. Coming up a steep and winding driveway, residents enter the house on the west-facing side, where an angular facade is shaped to guide the eye to the front door and to views of the forest beyond. A deep yellow steel awning signals the glass entrance door, and it sings in the rain, designed to reflect light differently throughout the day, while not overpowering the house and becoming a thin signifier of entry. Inside, there's an open-plan kitchen, dining area, and a double-height living space with floor-to-ceiling glass walls. Warm and welcoming interiors finished in light Russian birch nautical plywood. Reclaimed maple was specified for the floors to provide a subtle contrast against the plywood. The one of the guest bedroom with floor-to-ceiling window that view of the forest and valley beyond. From the living space, residents can also see upstairs to the master bedroom loft, which is complete with a walk-in closet and ensuite shower room. The warm timber continues throughout every room of the house apart from the bathrooms, where aqua-colored tiles have been laid.
Here's a look at the plan.